Congratulations to you on this momentous accomplishment. I know that before you were able to get to this point, there were a lot of classes, independent studies, reading and citing, and summarizing important information. Some of that information may seem hyper-specialized. For those of us that have dove into a particular subject matter, the more we look up, the more we think we are closer to understanding, the more we realize that it's possible to get deeper and deeper to the micro and most basic levels. You have earned the highest academic achievement. The hooding ceremony is symbolic of passing the guard from one generation to the next generation. I'm sorry that we could not honor you in person with this historic tradition. The reason we are here is to celebrate you, celebrate your accomplishments, and convey that you are prepared to solve the world's most important problems and inspire others down the path of lifelong learning. You are prepared. You're facing a terrific time in academia. What the challenges of the last 6 months have taught us is that we can be resilient and modify anything we need to be successful. This is an important lesson. We have a realization that there needs to be continued and difficult discussions about equality and availability for success. You are instrumental in how academia and industry will be shaped. I challenge you to take on all the lessons from the pandemic and the magnification of disparities in health and social justice and use those lived experiences to impact how we function and how generations see your work. After being hooded years ago, my mentor told me to enjoy the accomplishment of achieving the highest academic degree. But after enjoying the moment, earning a doctoral degree is one step. Your body of work, your scholarship, and your impact on your circle of influence will define the success of all of your hard work. On behalf of the School of Health and Human Sciences at UNCG, I wish you an impactful, prosperous, and enjoyable career.